Hello everybody. Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. This is QtiePie88 and I'm here with a review with a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig by Unice hair. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. This is a cute little pink silk robe that they send with every wig. I'm loving it. It's so cute. I definitely have one. Kept it. So cute. It does come with a little goodie bag here with lashes and a little makeup brush. And these lashes are actually quite bomb. They're really nice and I'm definitely going to wear them one day. So this is like a little makeup brush if you take it out the container. And with a melting band there and this HD wig cap I'm going to show y'all. It is amazing. I love that they include these caps. These are the viral HD caps. Oh my god, they are not like your ordinary stocking cap. I love these HD caps. Definitely no need for the ball cap method, and I will show you guys later. But here is the wig. Today I will be reviewing a honey blonde highlighted wig. This is a 24-inch 13 by 4 transparent lace wig. It does have ear-to-ear lace, 2 combs near the ears, 1 near the back, and an adjustable band. Here is the wig up close. As you can see, it is a few flyaways at the front, but this wig has been beautifully highlighted. It is a bit bronzy, and I'm not a colored wig wearing girl at all, so this is out of my comfort zone, like way out of my comfort zone. But I did feel like I should show you guys this wig. And as with all light blonde wigs, it does look quite frizzy, but of course this can be tamed with like waxes and hair products so it can have a smoother, sleek look. But like I said, it is quite brassy, so I'm wondering how it will look against my skin tone. But they did a great job coloring the unit. So for this one, I'm not going to braid my hair back in a fancy pattern. I'm just going to slick it back into like a ponytail type thing, but I never use a like a hair tie to put my hair in a ponytail because it would just leave a big lump. I literally just do this braid right here, but I'm always careful to really never put the nape comb in my nape area because I don't want that to snatch my hair out. So I rarely even use that comb back there. I just let the wig sit right there. But yeah, I just made the simple braid and I put a hair tie at the end of it, and I'm just literally gonna fold it up, pin it with one bobby pin so it's not a million bobby pins sticking me in my head. Pin it up and put the cap over it. That's all. But make sure the little tiny hairs are slicked back. You definitely want to protect your edges with any wig you're wearing. That is one reason why I don't wear the ball cap method, because it doesn't protect my edges at all. Just because I have a low hairline, it's really hard to do it, but I just blend in because a ball cap is really so the thick band doesn't show. I'm okay with the band showing. I could just blend that with some concealer. But this is how my foundation method is looking. Quite simple. It doesn't take a lot of time because I don't plan on wearing this wig for a long period of time anyway, so why bother doing little braids? So this is what we're going to get today. So I did pluck the unit a little bit off camera, and I did slick it back and run the hot comb through it. So I'm just going to pluck it a little bit more on my leg right here off camera. All right, so we have her on, and this is quite a shock to me, this color. One thing I noticed is that there are no dark roots, so I'm definitely going to add some dark roots later. And yeah, jump scare with this color. Like, I'm not used to it at all, but I did like how flexible the lace felt. The lace felt very soft and flexible, but that was one thing I did like about it. The hair is super silky and soft, I must say. Like, I will not lie to you all. And I noticed that it was no tangling and no shedding. Like, no shedding with this unit. It is quite beautiful. Like, it was very silky and smooth. Like I said, all blonde wigs has this like frizzy look to it, especially the ends. But if you could feel this hair, it was buttery smooth. Like, it wasn't crispy or dry from the bleach or anything like that. And I did feel the lace was truly transparent, and I love how stretchy and comfortable the lace was. As you can see, I'm stretching it. It felt really good. And I'm just taking a look at the roots. It looks like, I can't tell if blonde hair has bleached knots. I could never tell if it was bleached knots or not, but the knots are definitely not dark. But as you can see, this is what I'm showing you. So you can see the cap through the lace, and the point of a ball cap method is to not have that harsh cap line, but I don't mind that. So no ball cap method for me. This will do just fine. I'll just blend that line of demarcation out. But yeah, let's go ahead and start to install this wig. Definitely clip the hair back, and the way I do it, I do not lay the wig down with the full lace on it. I have to cut my lace off first. That's just me. I don't know, it makes for a easier application, and the product doesn't build up and be all crunchy afterwards. So I always cut my lace first. But as you can see, it is truly transparent. It is quite ashy looking against my skin tone, but that is with almost any transparent lace. And I do find that cutting the lace the closest you can get to the hairline is the best. Try not to leave too much lace outside of the hairline, just so it can look more realistic. So I'm just finding where to place this unit because I do have a low hairline. So I do have to leave a little bit of my little stray hairs down in front of the lace. So I am going to use my even spray to lay this unit down really quick, really easy. As you can see, I'm spraying it behind that low hairline, and it just makes it easier for me. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me out there fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you get me midnight. All right, so it's all laid down. I did want to use my little fan here, but it died on me. So I have to use my regular blow dryer on a cool setting just to kind of set that spray, set the liquid, let it dry a little bit. And then I'm going to lay it down with the elastic band for about 10 minutes. But as you can see, I'm kind of bringing down my baby hair, make sure they're out of the way, because even will not stick to hair, it will only stick to skin. So I have to make sure the hair is out of the way. But yep, I laid it down for about 10 minutes. And this is how it was looking afterwards. I went ahead and took it off and was trying to kind of play with where I wanted my part. I did want to go ahead and do a side part today. If your lace doesn't match your skin tone, it's very beneficial to go in and just tap a little bit of spray on the hairline just to help it blend a little bit better after you've already kind of laid it down. But I did have to add more. I did have to move the lace around just because that low hairline of mine, this stuff will not stick to hair. So I had to pull it down to make sure it was sticking to my skin and not my hair. Because we do care about our edges. We do. We do not snatch wigs off. No, take them off properly. Care for your edges, ladies. So I'm going to lay it down one more time now that I added just a little bit of that spray on the edges. And this time I took the band from the back forward because sometimes it's hard to kind of do the Velcro in the back with all this hair. So here's how it's looking after that last lay down with the band with no product to try to blend it in my skin. And it looks pretty good. The area that it's most ashy is where it's not really on my skin, it's on my hair. So that's why it's important to lay it on your skin, because that lace will show if it's laying down on your hair. It blends much better when it's on your skin. So with this hair, it will be frizzy at the top. You definitely need a wax stick. But now I'm going in to just use this is my darkest contour I have, darkest contour powder. I feel like it's best for me to go in with the darkest powder that I have because the skin color powder just never does it for me. It never blends in. So I'm using the darkest powder that I have, and it actually works. And y'all look, the lace like literally disappeared. I can tell that it's a little too dark for my skin tone, but I would rather it be too dark for some reason. I can always go in with alcohol and lighten it up if I want to take some of that powder off. But this is how it's looking. Like, okay. Like, okay, I don't feel like you have to overly pluck blonde wigs because it's going to have the same look whether you pluck it or not, to be honest. But this looks pretty good. Like I said, that area is kind of obvious because it's not on my skin, but that's okay. We can cover that up with baby hair. But I am going to go in and spray some temporary black hairspray near the roots because I cannot wear blonde wigs without dark roots. I just can't. I just feel like it looks more realistic with dark roots. Be careful doing this because it's okay if it gets on the lace because I'm just going to put concealer over it anyway. But I went hard and I thought I messed it up right here. I was like, oh my God, too much, but it worked out. It worked out. So this is how it's looking before I added concealer to the part or anything. I think I'm going to use this piece for baby hair. Just going to cut it at an angle and use my tiny flat iron to curl it. So I'm using my Fit Me stick to just add some concealer to my part. So far, it's looking much better than I anticipated. I left way too much hair off on the side there, so I'm just gonna put some of it back. But I actually like this color. It's super blonde in the front, super blonde in the front, but this kind, I don't know if it's called like honey blonde or strawberry blonde. I don't know, but I love the blend of the two like tones of blondes, and I was really feeling like a ponytail for some reason with this hairstyle. I'm not gonna style it like this, but I was like, this would be so cute in a ponytail. And when I slicked it back, I was like, oh my gosh, it's giving that kind of sporty, cute look. I was like, okay, this is cute, but I didn't want to do it for the video. I actually wanted to curl it. But yeah, the body waves was cute. It's definitely going to need some moisturizer if you want to keep it in this body wave pattern, but I just say curl it. So I wanted to show you guys the thickness of this hair. Even though it's 150% density, look how thick this hair is on this side, and that's just half of my head. So the thickness is actually really nice. hairspray, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush out these curls. But right here, I noticed that like this curl just fell completely flat. That's how you can tell this hair is super soft, and you're definitely going to need some type of holding spray to hold the curls throughout the day. I think that's the only downfall with this. It is so silky and soft. You're definitely going to not need to use a comb. Run your fingers through it. And I also noticed the lighter the blonde area, the better the curls held. But like the strawberry blonde area, the darker blonde in the back, it definitely would need some hairspray. It seemed like it didn't hold the curl as well as the lighter blonde pieces, which is weird. But you will definitely get all the length with this unit. 24 inches. This thing is long. I'm 5'9", and it's literally down to my lower waist, like almost to the top of my butt, and I'm tall. So you will not be skimped in length with this wig. I highly recommend this wig. If you are into this tone of blonde, for sure. I never thought I could rock this color, but this color is bomb. This wig is bomb. I definitely give it a hard 9.9 out of 10. The only thing I would say is because not even the frizziness, it's just that it doesn't hold that curl, but that's not a problem. Holding spray. I definitely recommend this unit. The information and full information and links will be below. Y'all, I would definitely grab this wig. I would pay for this wig. Like, this wig is so soft and beautiful. I love it. I would add some dark roots just to suit my taste, but this wig is gorgeous. I'm very pleasantly surprised. So thanks so much for sponsoring this video, Unice. And yeah, I highly recommend this unit. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on all social media channels, cutie_pie_hair and cutie_pie88 on TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Link down below in description. Be sure to subscribe, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.